Hello, welcome to White Sands National Monument, home of the largest gypsum dune field in the world. My name is Sandra Flickinger and I am a ranger here at White Sands National Monument. I am standing here today and part of a monument that visitors rarely get to see unless they hike the Alkali Flat trail. The stretch behind me is called the Alkali Flat, and millions of years ago this flat was covered by the Permian Sea. There are a lot of interesting things out here on the Alkali Flat. Researchers have discovered plenty of things such as mammoth tracks, dire wolf tracks. Although mammoth tracks are very interesting, we are not going to be talking about that today during our Ranger Minute. We will be talking about something much smaller. Right next to me we have the pickleweed bush, also known as the iodine bush. It is a very interesting bush. It grows in a very arid and harsh environment. So the Alkali Flat has a very high salt concentration. The pickleweed can survive out here on the Alkali Flat because of its unique cells. They help it regulate the intake of salt. The pickleweed also has other adaptations. It does not rely on insects for pollination, which allows it not to produce flowers, and therefore not competing with other plants on the monument for pollinators. The pickleweed pollinates in the months of March and April when we have our strong winds. And that's one of the only ways that the plant pollinates. Unlike the mother plant, the baby seeds are not able to deal with the high intake of salt concentration. So they wait until the rain season when the rainwater dilutes the salt concentration, and that is when the seeds are able to germinate. As you can see, even in such an unlikely place as the Alkali Flat, plants have adapted to survive in the harsh environment. As humans, we often do not put much thought into how other organisms have developed strategies to survive, especially organisms as small as the iodine bush. It is amazing to see how this gypsum dune field and the surrounding areas, like the Alkali Flat, have tested the limits of different species of plants and animals, providing humans with a deeper appreciation for the astonishing adjustments these plants have made to be able to prevail in such a unique place.